jumbo jet of heavy ropes. Feel that, hear that. Hey everyone, been getting a lot of questions recently about heavy ropes. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very cheap, durable, strong, makeshift heavy rope. So I'm going to shed here. I don't have a jump rope, but what I did find was this rope. And I've done this before with other pieces of rope, even thicker ropes, even longer ropes. So this is a piece of rope, similar which you can find at a hardware store. And all you have to do is grab the two ends, hold them in your hand like so, get the other end. Okay, so let's check out the length of this. So as you can see, it's quite long. If it was a longer rope, I could just fold it over again. I'm going to share with you an old school boxing trick. The boxer Jack Dempsey, when he was jumping rope with a rope or a cord with no handles, what he would do is he would simply wrap the cord around his hand, like so. Similarly here, just wrap it around. And now there we have a makeshift heavy rope. And what you can do is, you can even get some duct tape and tape the rope around the handle there. And then you have somewhere you can slip your hand into. Easy to hold the rope. What you could even do is wrap the entire rope with duct tape. If you're worried about the two pieces of rope coming apart, but it really doesn't even matter. But it's no harm. Wrap the entire rope with duct tape. And if you're worried about protecting the heavy rope, if you invest in a heavy rope or even one like this, as I mentioned in the previous video, a big strip of carpet is very cheap and works extremely well. With a rope like this, you don't even need to do anything fancy. There's a good bit of weight to this. You just have to jump rope in the same place if you want. But of course, as I love to, you can always move around while you jump rope. It's the jumbo jet of heavy rope. So as I said, you don't even need to move around with a rope like this. Give it a minute or two, you'll start to feel it in your arms. So even though I'm focusing on spinning the rope using my wrists, I can feel it in my forearms, and there's also shoulder engagement. After a little while, this will be burning in the shoulders. So this makes a fantastic heavy rope. Go to your local hardware store, get some rope. A long piece will do. The longer the rope, you can just fold it over more. Tape the handles if you want. Even tape the whole rope if you want. Get a piece of carpet if you're worried about protecting the rope. You got yourself an awesome heavy rope.